These are seriously some of the most gorgeous lights I've ever seen. And believe it or not, they're actually really easy to install. They of course come with a user manual with all the steps, plus all the pieces required, so you don't need any extra equipment except for a drill if you choose to use one to make things quicker, or you can just use a screwdriver. This one does come in a set of 3 and has each of the mounting brackets and base plates and the cords to go with them. Underneath is the good stuff. This is where the crystals are that you hang on the lights after they are up. They come perfectly packaged, none of them were broken, and they are gorgeous. To start, you just want to remove this little zip tie around the cord and then screw in this gold place so it's not free floating on the cord. You'll want to remove these 2 screws that are on both sides of the base of the pendant so that you can install the mounting bracket that is inside of it. Once you have those out, you'll want to loosen this little plastic one on the side so that you can move the cord through it. So now your cord is able to move through it freely when you're ready to hang it. It does come with all these pieces, which can look intimidating, but you don't need to use all of them. So I just found the 2 screws that I'm going to need for my mounting bracket, and then I'm going to use these wire covers that I already have. You can use this plastic piece to attach all the wires, but you do not have to. You can simply just connect the wires and use those covers. So before installing anything, I like to measure the length that I want my lights to be so that I have something to go off of when I'm hanging them. There also is a little plastic piece that's on the cord, so when you figure out the length that you want it to be, you can slide that plastic piece down as added stability, and when you hang your light, it won't be able to slide through. Or you can even screw that little plastic piece on the inside back in too to make it even easier when you slide down that plastic piece that you know for sure it hasn't moved. Once you have your lengths figured out, you can then install your mounting bracket. You're going to want to put the wires through the bracket and then connect them and put those cover pieces on. And I find that this is a little bit easier to do, and then stick up as much cord as I can up into the ceiling before I install my mounting bracket. Then I like to keep those 2 screws for my mounting bracket close by because I will screw them in a little bit myself just to hold all those cords up while I grab my drill. Then you drill both of those in and your mount is in. From there, you take the 2 little screws that we took out of the sides of that base plate and set those into the sides of the mounting bracket. Then you can insert your light bulb, and make note that these ones do not come with light bulbs, so you will have to purchase those ones separately. Then we get to hang the crystals, and they do come packaged as A and B and are slightly different. One of them has 2 small ones on the top, a long one, and then 2 small ones on the bottom. The other one has 1 of each as it goes down. So you'll just hang these up alternating all the way around. And they're extremely easy to hang. There's a little slot that is on top that you just slide that first little crystal into, and it holds it right in place. And then you just rinse and repeat with the other 2. I love how shiny the gold is on these. I love the way the crystals just catch the reflection of the light and have that sort of rainbowy look to some of them. And I love that they are different sizes and styles. It just gives more definition and more uniqueness to them. They are so pretty and can really elevate any room that they are put in. My little girls love how sparkly these are and are in awe every time we turn them on, especially because if you look, you can see on the ceiling how cool the light reflection reflects off and gives it even more. And then the room is just so bright and so beautiful, and these are absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I love them. And definitely recommend these if you're looking for something elegant and unique.